I found a brand new meme coin strategy that printed me this amount of money in the past month, so make sure to keep watching because I will be breaking down exactly how I did it. Now, I'm going to be fully honest with y'all. I used to be obsessed with trading meme coins every single day on Memescope, but the problem is that every single time I put my money inside a meme coin, it just keeps getting rug pulled. For example, this coin right here, it got the rug pulled a couple minutes ago and it went to complete zero. And guess what? The person who made the most amount of money out of this coin was actually the person who created and launched the coin since the beginning. Because all he did was he launched the coin, he waited for buyers to come in, and after that, he simply just removed the liquidity and he walked away with thousands of dollars on this one meme coin launch. And for the ones who haven't catched on yet, this is exactly how I made all my money. All I did was I launched coins and I dumped them and I made thousands on every single launch. And the benefit is that it's fully repeatable. You can do 2x gains, 3x gains on demand, and you can do it whenever you want and wherever you want. So I'm going to show you exactly how to launch a coin and after that profit from it. But obviously this is for educational and entertainment purposes only, so please do not copy me, cap. But yeah, now I'm gonna stop wasting time and I'm gonna head straight to the point. To launch and create your own coin, you want to come to launch tokenfast.fun, and here you will be able to create and launch your own coin with no coding required, obviously on the Solana blockchain in seconds. Really fast, right? Now, this website is super special because the coins are all launched on the Radium Dex, which is 100 times better than Pump.Fun. Do not get me wrong, Pump.Fun is too saturated, too many coins are being created, and the market caps are not even high enough. On top of that, your coin has to get a $90,000 market cap for it to graduate on the Radium Dex, bro. Like, that's ridiculous. Just launch your coin directly on the Radium Dex by using launch tokens.fun and you were fucking skipping that line and making way more money, okay? Like, bro, if I go on my Photon and I go on the Radium Dex, just look at the insane market caps. They're all over 100,000, 80,000, 100,000, 4 million. But if we go on Pump.Fun, the market caps are absolutely horrible. They're all under $40,000. So you have to be launching your own coins on launchtokens.fun if you want to make some money. Okay, now coming back here, you have two different options into making your own coin. You can make it manually here, you know, token name, token symbol, put an image. After that, follow the easy steps. But if you are lazy like me, I'm sure you are, and you want to make some money with no marketing required, no need to find a good narrative, well, you could actually come to the copy coins feature right here and you can steal ideas that are already working and just copy them, duplicate them, and make some money instantly because all these coins are all trending, they're all pumping on Pump.Fun. So by duplicating them, okay, you're listing them back up on the Radium Dex and you are making way more money. It's simple as that. It's easy, reliable, and consistent. Okay, you can make so much money. It's actually insane. A bunch of people are printing off this tab right here. But now it's time to copy a coin and make some money. Now, the coin that caught my attention is the RAD12 Meta. Now, it has a last buy 7 seconds ago. 11 replies. That's decent. $60,000 market cap, which is great because it's about to migrate. So I'm gonna create coin right here. Your phantom will pop up, just go inside of it. After that, a warning will pop up. This is completely normal, bro. Like, it's completely normal. Just proceed anyway. Confirm, I understand, confirm. And then just be patient. It should take a couple of seconds, as you can see here, creating your token. Boom. Copy here, click on create liquidity pool, and now it's time to make your coin tradable on the blockchain. Okay, now here's like your coin. As you can see, I've launched a bunch of coins because this is what I do. Okay, here's like your Solana binds, amount token A, click on max. Now yeah, that's a billion coins. Amount token B, I like to put anywhere from 0.3 Solana to 1 Solana or more if you want. So I'm gonna put 0.5 Solana. That's what I usually do. That's what I'm comfortable with. Don't get this twisted. This money will come back inside your wallet after you remove the liquidity because you will be the first buyer inside your own coin. So you are not losing this money. It's completely safe. Okay. Now ignore this coin right here. I just launched it a couple minutes ago. But anyways, now it's time to create the pool. So 3, 2, 1, create pool. Once again, your Solana Binance wallet should pop up, confirm. And after that, simply click on refresh. Boom, it popped up. As you can see, I'm already 0.5 Solana in profit. Now click on view on Photon and your coin should be live. Yes sir. Okay, we're already at a $400 market cap. The coin is pumping a lot. Now let me go see who bought in. $50, $8, $8, $17, $8, $11. Okay, we're getting a bunch of buys in. This coin actually looks really promising at the moment. Now, like I said, if you want to check your profits, you can come here, click on refresh, and you can see your profits right here. Okay, yo, it's gonna go fucking high. Let's go, bro. By the way, meme coins are back, bro. Solana is pumping. Meme coins are back. Right now is the best moment to start launching coins. As you can see, bro, like it's so fucking volatile. Like you can make so much money. It's actually insane. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I think one more decent buy and I am going to remove the liquidity. I'm not trying to make this video too long, so yeah. Okay, I think I'm gonna do it. So come back to tokenfast.fun to remove the liquidity. Oh my god, it's going so high. Okay, now click on the minus button, do 100%, remove the liquidity. Come on, we have to go fucking fast, bro. Go fast. Come on. Go inside your wallet. After that, click on confirm. And boom! We just removed the complete liquidity out of the rat coin on my first launch. And if y'all want to see how much I made off this one launch, if I open my Phantom wallet, 3 to 1, $564 is inside my wallet. So I made a $464 return in that investment, bro. Tokenfast.fun is linked in the comments down below or in the description, bro. Go make your coins right now. It's the best moment to start. If you want to enter the 5 Solana giveaway, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe. And yeah, bye.